Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Something that we always have on hand in our home for lots of different purposes is this Dawn dish soap. We really love using this dish soap for doing dishes, of course. It has such a nice lather and a little bit really goes a long way. It works up into so many suds and bubbles and you really feel like you are getting in there and getting the grease out of your dirty dishes. And you can do a whole sink full with hardly any of this soap. It's super concentrated and it just does an amazing job. So in addition to doing our dishes, we also like to use this for all kinds of different cleaning purposes throughout the house. My husband does a lot of mechanical work and it's really nice to get grease out of car parts and just different things like that. And we also use it sometimes to pre-treat stains on our laundry and it does a great job there too. So I'm just cleaning this tray that my cat uses to eat from and he makes a gigantic mess out of it and it gets really greasy and gross. And in just a couple swipes with this Dawn dish soap, it is sparkling clean and good as new. I love that I can get this in a 2-pack in these bulk refill sizes so that I will never run out of my favorite dish soap. So we love this dish soap. We use it for all different things. It really gets the job done and it's such an effective cleaner. And that's my point of view.